In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hood lift struts on this BMW 328i. These are going to be attached under the hood. Let's get into it. Now you want to make sure you have an assistant or have a hood prop to support the hood while you're doing this so the hood does not fall. Now using a pocket screwdriver, you can take this clip off. Just pop that off. Pop this out. Just like that. And at the base, we're going to do the same thing. You can push that wire out of the way a little bit. Just take the clip off, use a pick or a pocket screwdriver. Just get under the clip, pop it out, take the new one. Just going to go over that socket. Push that on. And the top, we'll do the same. I'm going to have to raise the hood a little bit, get that lined up, snap it in place, and you can do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.